This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, the course name called first of all Mulesoft. Okay, what is Mulesoft? What is the use of this technology? Where we are using this technology? Real time world. So Mulesoft is nothing but it's an integration tool. Okay, this is name called integration tool. What is integration means? We have an application A, okay, which is developed by one technology, and we have an application B, which is developed by another technology. They both are exchanging the data. Integration tools are sitting in the middle place, collect the data from the application A. After collecting what application B is expecting, integration tool will do the customization and deliver the message to target system, that is nothing but application B. So integration tools are always sitting in the middle place to communicate source application, that is nothing but application A, and deliver the message to the target system, that is nothing but the application B. Integration tools are independent of the technology. At a time, if you want, you can send a message. If you send a request, one-to-one request means one-to-one communication, and one-to-one application or one-to-many applications also. Okay, that is the advantage of the integration tools. Without integration tool, can we communicate like more than one application or one-to-one application? Yes, we can implement, we can communicate also, but that is very complexity. Why? What it is got complexity means, example, application A, which is developed by .NET or any other technology, application B also some other technology. Always we are not communicating the same kind of technology only. Sometimes we are sending the Salesforce to ServiceNow, SAP system to the ServiceNow, cloud system, CRM system, Python system, any other applications we are going to communicate. Each application have each kind of communication thing to communication protocol and the format of the things. Once you place any request in any online portal, if you click on a submit, internally all your data is going to be converting one format. Example, we know the format name called XML, CSV, different formats. But in the market, there are so many formats are available. That is, application owner has to decide it. Any customer doing anything into the online web page, after submit your request, the entire your data is going to be converting one format. So that is application to application, it is going to be different. But my .NET application example, you are doing the NEFT transaction. That is, you are open the ICICI bank and the same you are delivering the message to HDFC bank. But we don't know both are what technology they are using. HDFC bank, which technology we don't know, and ICICI bank also we don't know. But they both are communicating. ICICI bank sending the request internally one format, and HDFC bank accepting the request is one format. Two different formats, to different technology, to different communications. If we want to exchange, integration tool is required to consume the data by using any kind of communication, any kind of format. Integration tool is consuming. After consuming, before sending to the HDFC bank or any other bank, what they are expecting, what is the communication they are expecting, that will taken care by integration tool. Finally, the request is going to be delivered to end system. That is HDFC bank. Again, HDFC bank send a response message to the customer. That is your mobile message also you are receiving parallelly. Your Gmail or any other mail also you are going to receive. Inside the content almost the same, but the structure of the message is different. Mobile message is a small text message. The Gmail is a mail format. So this is all. The response received from the HDFC bank, that is consumed by integration tool before sending to the target system. Now mobile is the one network, that is either whatever the network which you are using, and Gmail also one other application. Both are in the different technologies, different formats. Will taken care by the integration tool. Send a message to whatever the format, whatever the message customer is expecting, is going to be delivered. So that is the reason. One to one also we are going to communicating. One to many also we are going to communicating. All applications are also using the different technical format also. Integration tool taking care and deliver the message. Now, without integration tool means that is very difficult to identify because both are different only, different format, different communications. So there is no interlink only. Then we are very difficult to identify. To avoid all these issues, integration tools are sitting in the middle place to resolve all the integration solutions, either communication, either format, either network, order it may be. You are going to send it to me. I will take care and deliver the messages. Simple. There is an online portal applications example. Now you are placing any order. The request is going to the payment system, payment to the vendor to the customer care delivery system. Example, 5 applications are coming to the picture. So each application, each technology they develop. So first payment completed only, then vendor is coming to the picture, delivery is coming to the picture, and customer can also come into the picture. If your payment is not committed, not completed, all other applications are not inactive. Here dependency also created. Here dependency means payment is the dependency. Once completed, the rest of the applications are active only. Each application, each technology they developed, but we don't know payment application, that is bank application, which technology. Even if you are placing Flipkart or Amazon, also we don't know which technology. But simply we are selecting the product, submit the request, doing the payment, other applications are active. Even if you are facing any issue, you have got the customer care application, that is also one technology. The delivery system guy is coming and deliver the product, that is also one technology. Your vendor applications also one technology. So each applications are each technology, each format. Now in these cases, the request is going to be traversing multiple applications only internally. Finally, we are receiving one invoice only. While transferring the data, if you are facing any issue like data issue, connectivity issue, any reason, that is very difficult to identify which request or which application got failed out. So that is the reason integration tools are coming. Whatever the application you want, that is 1 to 10, 1 to 100 also, I am sitting in the middle place. Now we are facing any challenges, I can easily identify to give the solution on this. That is also one advantage of the integration tools. Without integration tools, only can possible one-to-one communications. The same kind of scenario like a online portal application. If we want to implement, so without integration tools, that is one-to-one only it is going to be supporting. Example, this is the Flipkart. Imagine this is the payment system. Once they both are communicating, coming the request, again Flipkart sending to the vendor only. Vendor accepting the request, again Flipkart taking care with the customer care. Coming back and delivery system. Like this, it is going to be communicating. But with the integration tools, payment completed, internally payment will taken care to deliver the message to this one and this one to vendor to the customer. So internally the message is going to be traversing n number of applications once you place an API. So these are the drawbacks to identify without integration tools. Also, without integration tools, we can communicate one-to-one only. One-to-one also, both should be the same kind of communication, both should be the same kind of format. But that is very difficult, right? I'm the application owner only. Then currently, example, application A and application B, both are communicating without integration tool. Imagine ICICI Bank and HDFC. Initially, they are committed. I'm sending the data to you. Can you please accept the data? That is EFT transaction. Initially, they are communicating both are one-to-one, one application to one application. They are agree this. Yes, we are not using any integration tool. Just whatever the data you are sending to me, I am going to accept it. Then internally, before accepting the data, what is the format we are going to send it? Whatever we know, example as of now, XML is the format. They both are agree to sending the data. Sending the data means via network only the data is going to be sending. The network, there are so many communications of protocols available. Both are agree same kind of protocol only. Successfully, the business is going on. After a couple of days or couple of years, ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank decided there is a latest technology which is available in the market. I would like to migrate my application to the latest technology, even communications also, even format also. Then what to do? ICICI Bank, they have enough money, they are going to invest the money, they are going to migrate them. Then immediately ICICI Bank inform to the HDFC Bank, hey, currently whatever we discussed that is not currently it's not working. I migrated the latest one. So if you want to exchange the data, you need to migrate. Otherwise, we cannot. Then HDFC Bank decided I do not have enough money to migrate only. Then what to do? HDFC Bank losing the data. They cannot deliver the message to the ICICI Bank. Obviously, they are losing their business. This is what. In these cases, integration tools are sitting in the middle place and discuss with the HDFC Bank. No worry about that. I'm taking care of whatever the data which you are sending to HDFC Bank, even though they are migrating the latest technology. So this is how business will be traversed internally. So that is application owner has to decide whether that is the latest, what is the format, what is the technology. They are not bothered about that. Whatever the data they are sending, we are collecting and deliver the messages. Even all the applications keep on migrating with the latest functionality. Then still they are doing the business with other applications. How can it possible? Because if you open any website, that keep on migrating with the latest technology, latest options also. But internally they are doing so many changes. But still they are going to communicate with the other applications. But other applications, they are not informing, right? Other applications, still the business are going on because of integration tools. Without integration tools, whatever we discuss, that is very difficult and they are complicated to exchange the data only. To avoid all these things, integration tools sitting to exchange the data. Do you have any doubts? You can let me know. I'm going to clarify. Okay, cool. So if I want to implement as an integration mechanism, what are the components is required to consume the data and do the transformation, all these things means? One is adapter, transformation, routing, and filter. What is this example? If you see the diagram, as per this diagram, example, we are sitting here only as the integration layer. Example, this is the .NET application imagine, and this is the Java application. In the your terminal, this is ICICI Bank, and this is the HDFC Bank. Now, ICICI Bank sending a message, someone has to pick your request and deliver the messaging integration tools. This is nothing but a connector. Each technology corresponding connector which is already developed. Example, now you are communicating with say CRM system, the customer relationship management application. CRM connector is available. Salesforce connector, SAP connector, cloud, Azure, AWS, Python, Java, .NET, whatever the technology which is available, corresponding connector is available. Without connector, we cannot consume the data. Connector is the responsibility to communicate the application, to collect the data and hand out to the integration tool. Who will develop this one? Integration tool is the responsible to develop the connectors only. All the connectors they are not providing the free of cost, they are charging the money only. But they are already developed. If you are buying the product, you can start your development. Just in the connector, here we are not writing any business logic. So whenever they are going to sending the data, connector is the consuming the data and handle the integration tools. After collecting the data, integration tool has to decide that yes, this is the system I'm going to deliver the message. Before delivery, what you are accepting the data, because this is the data which I got from the application A, and do I need to send the same to you or any customization required? Yes, of course, I'm not accepting same kind of things. I'm expecting some other thing. Example, the response date after amount has been deducted. This is a text message, this is a Gmail message. The content is almost common, but the structure of the data is a difference only. That is the mail, that is the message, mobile message only. They both are different only. All this taken care by the integration tool. Finally, the message, the request is going to be delivered to the end systems. Before end system also, See, this is they are using the SOAP or some HTTP. They are using in the HTTP because this communication connector is different. This connector is different. This is developed by .NET technology and this is developed by other technology. They both are different technologies only, different connectors only, but successfully they are going to deliver the messages by using the integration tool. So that is the reason integration tools are independent of the technology. They are not specifically supported. So any kind of technology, integration tool is going to be supporting. So don't think like integration tool is going to be supported the, these many technologies only. They are whatever the even the oldest systems, mainframes also. Now latest systems, cloud also, successfully they are going to migrating. Any doubt here? Let me know. So the component name called adapters. Adapters are nothing but a connector. These are the connectors. Connector is the responsible to consume the data from the source application and hand out to the integration tool. Just to carry the data on. In the connector point of view, we are not writing any business logic. Okay, then another one is transformation. What is the transformation? Example, the same what we discussed before. We know the format called XML and Excel format only as of now. There are so many formats available in the market only. Now, ICICI Bank sending the Excel format and HDFC Bank accepting the XML format. Both are different. So we are going to exchange. So we are doing the transformation, transform the data after collecting. I'm talking about whatever the Excel, whatever the CSV source system sending. By using connector, we are going to continue. We are not but a Mulesoft or integration tool is going to be consumed. After consuming the data, before sending target system, this is the format they are sending. Shall I send or any other thing? No, I am not accepting the same format. Do it some other things. Then we are going to do the transformation. Transformation is nothing but to transform the data. Same kind of format also we can do this. Don't think about the one so different only. Example, both systems. Example, source system that is application A sending the XML format. Even application B also accepting the XML format only. But inside the contents it got changed. Then integration tool. What component is going to be supporting? Transform message. That is the transform the data within the form. Same kind of format also. Different kind of format also. Same kind of format. What is the point of do the transformation is? But format is same, but inside the content is different. Imagine content point of view. My application, example, if you are logging to any other applications, imagine first we are going to sign up the details. We are getting the first name, last name, address, etc. etc. Think about some of the applications showing the F as a capital letter, N as a small capital letter. The rest of the things are small letters. And some other applications saying that only first F as the first name contains F as the capital letter, rest of the characters are small letters only. See, both are in the same format, but inside the content is the application is sending, I am sending first name contains first is the F character is the capital letter, N is the character is the capital letter, rest of the things are small letter. But target system, that is application be saying that, hey, but my system is accepting only the F as the capital letter. Then we are going to do the transform. This is nothing but a transformation. So adapter is the connector and transform the nothing but it to transform the data what target system is expecting. That is taken care of the integration tool. Any doubts here? You can let me know. Okay. So there is a filtering, there is a routing. The routing is nothing but a like example. Take a Abibus or any other travel application. Now you are choosing the option called source and destination data of journey. Now you are submitting the request. Now your request is going to be route to multiple systems. So we don't know how many applications are integrated or included in the Abibus. So each application they have their own web application and developed by different technologies also. But instead of logging to each page, there is a common application called Abibus or Redbus application. Just you are sending you are passing your details, submit the request, the final that request is going to be traversing to the routing to the multiple application and collecting all the applications message information and making as a single message. This is also taken care of by integration tools. Each application contains, this is nothing but a routing. You are going to route to multiple applications. That is one to one also, one to many also. We don't know, right, how many applications are integrated in the Aviva or any other site. Each application, they have their own site, even though instead of logging to the other applications, they are going to integrate the Aviva and communicating to the messages. So this is nothing but here connectors is the communication to collect the data. Transformation nothing but to transform the data from one format to other format or same format also, but inside the content is different and communicating the n number of applications, that is unlimited also. So these are the major things which are going to implement in the integration tools. Any doubt here, you can let me know.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, your voice is a little bit low, sir. Please raise the volume.
I already 100% only my volume. Okay, I'll speak bit loudly, no worry.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what. So now coming to the when to use and when not to use as the integration tools. Whenever you are going to sending the data to the one-to-one communications, there is no customization required. Both are accepting the same kind of format. Both are using the same kind of communications. Then no need to use of any integration tools. Simple. Take our like whatever the folders which are using normally. There is a C drive and D drive in your laptop. There is a folder. You are copy the folder in the, some sample.xml, any other file, sample file, and you are placing into the other drive. This is copy pasted. So in example, I'm simple one I'm talking about. So in this case, just a copy pasted mechanism like this. Source system sending, target system is expecting. So there is no customization required. While I'm sending the data, target system also accepting the data without sorry, what is called like same kind of format, same kind of communication. There's no need to use of anything. But while copy pasted the file from one drive to other drive, before pasting to the other drive, they are expecting any customization. Then integration tool is required to take care of the customization and deliver the messages. That is what see that to do a copy paste. There is no customization. But before copy pasting, you are changing the name of the file. Example. Then you are doing some customization, deliver the messages. So this is what I am going to making as an automated. File is going to be picking the location and placing it to the other drive. Before placing, I want to change the name of the file and content inside the inside content of the file. All these things you are going to do as a customization, then integration tool is required. This is the mechanism also we can implement by using integration. So source and target system both are exchanging. There is no customization, there is no things, there is no need to use of any integration tool. If you are using also, it won't harm anything only. But what is the use of to invest the money or something? Do the complexity. Just bypassing. Then collecting, transfer. After collecting the response, transfer. So no need to use of any integration tools. So think about that. Any customization, that is one-to-one also, one-to-many also. Integration tool is required. Okay, then what are the different ESB, that is integration tools are available in the market means? Example, take TIPCO is the company name, the product name called TIPCO. Oracle is the company name. Oracle is the company name, the product called Fusion. Dell is the company name, the product called Boomi. Dell Boomi. IBM is the company name, the product called IIB. Okay, now Mulesoft also integration tool only. Mulesoft also, but now it is the owner is the Salesforce. Their product name called Mulesoft. Previously, until 2018, mid of or quarter, anything end of the year, Sales was taken care by Mulesoft only, but previously Mulesoft is the company name, product name also Mulesoft only. But now the owner is the Salesforce and product name Mulesoft as the integration. Now there are so many integration tools are available in the market. Then why I'm going to choosing as a Mulesoft? Because the TIPCO is one of the most popular integration tools. Now Mulesoft is occupying the business. So normally without integration you cannot exchange only. So if you are using any application like I say any web application, internally so many applications are interacting. So that is the reason integration tool is the mandatory to exchange the data. That is any integration tools. Now coming back to the other integration tool difference only. So TIPCO is the one of the famous integration tool to give the best solution till now as integration challenges. Then why I'm going to choosing as a Mulesoft? What are the top benefits on this one? Even IIB, Oracle Fusion, Telbumi, not only this one, there are so many integration tools available. But these are the things are very famous integration tools. Whatever we discussed, that is a TIPCO, Oracle, IBM product and a Dell product, web methods. There are so many rest of the things are available. So whatever we are discussing, that is, these are the TIPCO, Oracle, IBM, all these things are commercial ESP tools, enterprise service tools. That is nothing commercial. So they are charging more money so to integrate applications. TIPCO is the one of the famous plus very expensive integration tools. Previously, customers are there is no other option. They are invest the money to integrate the applications. Okay, so when coming back to the Mulesoft ESP, there are two ways Mulesoft is providing, that is community edition and enterprise edition. Example, I am running in a small organization, but I do not have money to invest on buying the product as an integration tool. Then directly you can download from online, you can start your development. But the only thing is, if you are downloading the online, Mulesoft is not supporting if you are facing any challenges. I'm doing the small piece of integration. It's not a big piece of integration. I don't want to support with the integration. That is Mulesoft team. Then go ahead with the directly you can download it and you can start your development. Most of the companies nowadays, small organizations, they are behaving like this. So previously integration tools were only running in the major organizations, MNCs companies only. Small organizations, they are not to invest the money because they do not have money to integrate only. They are internally tied with the third-party system. They are going to behave like this. Now they are using their own product, that is the other integrated Mulesoft. They start their development without interact the other customers. So one is cost. Cost point of view, Mulesoft is the very cheap when compared to other integration tools. That is a cheaper one only. One is that is the reason customers are choosing as a product name called integration tools. The cost is not problem. What about the features? What about the security? If people are thinking like this is the cost is very cheaper, then there is no much features only there in, and also security also very less security. That is the normally people are thinking. But when coming to the Mulesoft point of view, whatever the TIPCO is doing, the same features Mulesoft also doing, plus extra latest features also they are going to provide. So TIPCO is the best solution till now before ESB, that is Mulesoft. Then TIPCO whatever is doing, Mulesoft also doing same features also, plus extra latest features also available. That is also one more reason customers are choosing the product called integration tool, that is Mulesoft. And it is very developer friendly. You can quickly learn, quickly integrate, and it is going to be supporting any kind of platforms also, any kind of programming language also, any kind of environments also it is going to be supporting. That is also one more reason. And it is also option called by default Mulesoft is people are calling it the cloud-based applications. But Mulesoft is not only cloud in nothing but example. Now I have developed one of my application. After that, I am going to deploy my application into the external server. That is normally each integration tool, they have their own servers only. They are going to deploy. But anyway, Oracle and Dell, they are still migrating the cloud only. But by default, Mulesoft is giving the multiple options. If we have a money, to buy the product name called cloud, but cloud is a very expensive because my organization, very small organization, I do not have money to deploy the cloud. Is there an alternative? Yes, we have an alternative. Without cloud, if you want, you can deploy the even on-prem also. That is the servers are running in your local machine. So that is your office premises only. That is nothing but an on-prem you can deploy. I do not have a buy even on-prem also. Any alternative? Yes, there is one more alternative. There is an open source server is available that is provided by MuleSoft. You can download directly in online. You can deploy the application. So deployment also they are giving the multiple options. Cloud is a very expensive nowadays. Most of the technologies are applications are made the cloud only. That is expensive only. I am the small piece of organization. I do not have money to buy the product as a cloud. Then what to do? Go to the on-prem. On-prem also, as my organization, that is also expensive only. Alternative, there is an open source server is available. You can download it and start your deployment. So this is the cloud-based applications and multiple ways we can deploy the application, and it is a developer friendly, and we can easily integrate the applications. Any kind of platform it is going to be supporting, and the cost-wise also they are giving the multiple options only. And connectors, connectors are playing as a major role in the integration tools. Whatever the MuleSoft is providing connectors, rest of the integration tools are still not providing. Because connector, without connector, we cannot communicate with other applications. Because there are so many latest technologies are coming to the market. So we can easily integrate and consume that data. So that is also one more advantage people are using as a integration tools. And security. I told you right, security also, whatever the latest security features available in the market, the same security features, even other integration tools are also supporting, plus MuleSoft also support. This is the reason, this is the factor people are considering as an integration tool name called Mulesoft. Plus, it is API based application. APIs are nothing but a services only. What is API? What is services? That is I'm going to explain at the time of API concept. Just I'm giving some idea of it. The API based applications. So API nothing but a services only. A simple idea. Example, there are so many ways people are implementing the services only. That is SOAP web services only. The same kind of service if you want to implement in the API is only. Example, SOAP service may take a 50 minutes. The same service if you want to implement the API based services, it may take 5 minutes only. So it reduce the timestamp, time limit, and performance also very fast, and we can easily develop the services also. These are the factors are available in the MuleSoft, so that is the reason customers are choosing the product name called MuleSoft. Any doubts here? You can see here the enabling developers easily find multi-protocol interaction, all this open source and light and fast developer cloud. Any doubt here? So any kind of cloud platform applications MuleSoft is supporting here. So that is cloud also it is going to be supporting, not cloud also it is going to be supporting. So now what we are doing in the edit in the MuleSoft means not only MuleSoft, other integration tools also. This is completely drag and drop tool. We are not writing any customization here only. Like sorry, programming languages I'm talking about. Any code we are not writing. So completely drag and drop tool. We used to drag the develop the flows only. Inside the flow, there are some couple of they're calling as a palette for flows. I'm going to explain later on, don't worry, but just I'm giving some idea about that. So we are developing the flows only. Then this is nothing but a calling as a palette. There are a couple of palettes are available. If example, if you open this one, this is calling as a flows only. These are the palettes only. Just you can drag it here. Just idea I'm giving that. So like this, we are going to developing the flows to consume the data before hand over the data. Not only MuleSoft, other integration tools also, even TIPCO, IBM, Oracle, all integration tools, behavior is common. So we are developing the Mule flows to extend the data between one application to other applications. Any doubts, you can let me know. So this is what how message passing in the different message nothing but request. different applications, and message provider consumer. So we can do while routing, filtering, and transform by the integration tool. Single flow, nothing but example. This is the single flow can integrate n number of applications like what we discussed. There is no restriction, there is no limit. N number of applications can it possible to integrate applications. So this is about the brief about the integrations only. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. What are the different technologies available in the integration? What is the advantage of the VLSP? This is what I'm trying to convey at the time of demo. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. I'm ready to clarify.
Sir, what is ESB, sir?
Enterprise Service Bus only.
What's the L2?
Sorry, I didn't understand. So
What,
enterprise,
sir?
yeah, and I clarify. Enterprise service bus nothing but the business is going to be traversing via sequentially, and from example, why they're calling as this one is, so whenever source system or any other system is going to be calculating, first the message is the request is going to be calculating like sequentially. So one by one, it is going to be executed, and finally the message is going to be delivered to the end system. They are calling as even if we take any bus, you can pick a data one point, the finally it is going to be destination only. In between, there are so many stops are available. That is an enterprise service bus that they're calling as the ESB. So even as VLSB, not only VLSB, we are collecting the data from the one application before hand out to the target system. We are also doing the some customization. This one is doing the some customization and deliver the message to this one. This one is doing the customer deliver the message to this one. Finally, the message, the request is going to be delivered to this one. So we are also behind like a bus only, like whatever the first pickup point, stop to next one, stop to next one. Finally, end is that bus is going to be stopping, right? The same way they are also considered as a yes, enterprise service bus. Service bus is nothing but a the how bus internally is behaving. Even we are also behaving the same thing. That is anyway that is I'm going to cover from start of the Mulesoft only. Just this is nothing but just a what is the integration, where we are using the integration, what are the different integration tools are available in the market. This is what I'm trying to convey in the demo.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Any other clarifications?
No, sir.
If you have any clarifications, let me know. I'm ready to clarify. So if you are okay to start with the batch only, I'm going to explain what is exactly like what is MuleSB, what are the concepts are available in the MuleSB, what is the topics which I'm going to cover in the MuleSB, what are the versions installation I'm going to convert start from the tomorrow class only. But as demo point of what I'm trying to convey, where we are using other integration tools in the real-time world. There are so many integration tools are available in the market. What is the use of, what is the advantage of the Mule product? Why I'm going to choosing as a Mule product? So this is what I'm going to convey in the demo part. Just an idea about the integration. From tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start Mule and ESB, all these things, ESB layer.
Okay, sir.
Any clarifications?
No, sir.
Okay. I hope it's clear. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, this is Amrita. Your concept delivery is very nice, but your audio is little bit low and audio got some disturbances, sir. There is no clarity in audio.
Oh, really? Actually, I am in
Yeah.
the closed room only. Okay. We'll see tomorrow. I understand. Okay, I didn't notice that. Okay, if you are facing situation, then I will look into this one. No worry, I will take it.
Yeah, okay, sir. Now it is clarity, sir. In class session, there is some disturbance in audio, sir.
Okay, actually, I am in the closed room only. I'm not in the outside also. Anyway, if you have
Okay.
same issue facing tomorrow, then only I
Yeah,
can take
okay,
it.
sir.
No worry. Okay. Okay. Thank you.